Hey there, future scientists! If you're curious about where a career in biotechnology can take you, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into the exciting world of biopharmaceuticals and the emerging careers that are shaping the future of medicine. First up, let's talk about biopharmaceuticals. These are medical drugs produced using biotechnology. Unlike traditional drugs made from chemicals, biopharmaceuticals are made from biological sources. Think proteins, nucleic acids, and even living cells. This field is booming and it's opening up a ton of career opportunities. One of the most sought-after roles is in biologics. Biologics include a range of products like vaccines, blood components, and gene therapies. As a biopharmaceutical scientist specializing in biologics, you could be developing the next life-saving treatment. Imagine creating a vaccine that could prevent a major disease outbreak. That's the kind of impact you could have. Next, we have biosimilars. These are almost identical copies of original biopharmaceuticals whose patents have expired. Working with biosimilars involves ensuring these drugs are just as safe and effective as their branded counterparts. Careers in this area require a deep understanding of regulatory requirements and quality control processes. And let's not forget about gene therapy. This is one of the most cutting-edge fields in biopharmaceuticals. Gene therapy involves modifying or manipulating the genes within a patient's cells to treat or prevent disease. It's like editing the blueprint of life. Careers in gene therapy could see you working on treatments for genetic disorders, cancer, and even some forms of blindness. This is the frontier of medicine, and it's advancing at lightning speed. So, what innovations are driving these fields forward? One of the biggest game changers is CRISPR-Cas9 technology. This powerful tool allows scientists to edit genes with unprecedented precision. It's revolutionizing how we approach genetic diseases and opening up new possibilities for treatments. Another innovation is the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies are helping researchers analyze massive data sets to identify new drug targets and predict patient responses. AI is speeding up drug discovery and making it more cost-effective. Then there's bioprinting. This technology uses 3D printing to create tissues and organs. It's still in the early stages, but the potential is enormous. Imagine being able to print a new kidney for a transplant patient. That's the future we're looking at. So there you have it. The world of biopharmaceuticals is full of exciting career opportunities and groundbreaking innovations. Whether you're interested in biologics, biosimilars, or gene therapy, there's a place for you in this dynamic field. Keep learning, stay curious, and who knows? You might just be the next pioneer in biopharmaceuticals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of science and technology. See you next time.